So we got the cage started. Yeah, it's the front section is now fully welded, so we're just gonna drop it now into these boxes that it is on, and weld the upper parts and then do the rear pipes. So I forgot to film it, but I got the intercooler piping done, so it's just 2 silicone hoses, straight 2.5-inch silicone hoses, nothing else than that. So minimal leaks and won't blow off because they're straight and the aluminium pipes are going straight against each other, so will work really good. Yeah, the cage from RN Cages, as I've said, it's very simple to put in, and it's really good when you had a chassis to take measurements from, so it fits really good in here, and yeah, looks really good and really easy to mount when someone who knows what they are doing has sketched all these up, and yeah, get yours from RN Cages. So we got the cage fully welded, everything is in place, and every plate and everything is welded shut now. So yeah, it's looking good, easy to weld when you have a wagon, so a lot of room, and easy when you have a 4-door, when you can weld everything in the rear door. So got some stuff done. Intercooler piping fully welded and painted, intake remade, and the throttle cable is I made a mount for that, and this is the cable roller is from a Honda D engine, I think, just welded on there. The original is with a rod and ball joints instead of the wire going straight to it, but now it's the cable just going straight to it, so now it's like that. So yeah, really happy with how it came out, and have done the rear subframe. This you have seen before, but this is the subframe for the 210 now. So I welded the bushings the same way as in the CLK subframe. Got the cheap recipe with a Perkins piston pin and a old water pipe going straight on the mounts in the car. So yeah, going to start making the drive shafts, moving some I'm using the same drive shafts as the CLK, but I have to change the outer CV joint because the axle piece is longer on the 210 than the CLK, so I have to change that. So it's a really messy job, so nothing fun going on. So some stuff has happened. Per has done the front suspension and front coilover. Oh, I need a light. Front coilover conversion, so you get rid of the original Mercedes separate spring and shock. So now it's a new upper mount and well lower as well, and this will later change when we get the other control arms, but it will work like this right now. So yeah, some max speeding rods for a Nissan 300 ZX, and yeah, well, everything is modified. Yeah, have been buttoning up the electronics in the inner arches and made the coolant expansion tank fitted. Got it mounted with some rubber hoses, so if something would hit from the inner arch, it could move a little bit so it doesn't crack. Rear subframe and everything is in the same setup as the CLK, so nothing really nothing extra out of the ordinary. Per has made some room for the control arms to move when the suspension is in its upper position. So yeah, got some more travel out of that. And Per has also made coilover mounts in the rear, so they are now a lot longer out than the original spring cups, so this will change the characteristics of the Mercedes rear suspension a lot, because the original spring is in such a so far in on the control arm, so it doesn't really matter how stiff of a spring you put there, so it's still so much force that goes on it when it's near the inner bushing. So yeah, this will change the suspension a lot. Other than that, not much been going on. Haven't filmed that much because well, it's a lot of I think it's a lot of boring stuff and things you've seen before, so I'll just make updates like this one and keep on working instead of focusing on working, instead of focusing on filming small stuff, so we get a lot faster done. So yeah, I think we have enough material for a video, so we'll end this video here and keep on working and keep you updated. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and comment if you're wondering about anything. Thank you. Bye.